Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates.
What's up guys, HN Styles here from HN Studio. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a quick cartoon effect in a photo. So without wasting of any time, let's get started. First, make sure if your background and foreground color aren't black and white respectively, then press D on your keyboard to make them black and white. Now open a photo of someone you'd like to use for this project. Now press Ctrl+J to make a duplicate layer of this background layer. Now click onto the filter button onto the top, then click onto filter gallery. Now click onto the sketch, then click onto the stamp. Now use these sliders to adjust the cartoon effect. Then click OK. Now create a new layer. Now remove the eye from layer 1. Now select the background layer. Now open the eyedropper tool. Now select the subject skin color. Now show the eye of the layer 1. Now select the top layer. Now open your brush tool. Then open your brush picker and then select this brush. Now change the layer blend mode to multiply. Now brush over the person's skin. Now as you guys can see, we've created a cartoon effect of a photo. So that's all for now. Meet you in the video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.